Hello everyone. Today we'll be installing WordPress on our GlowHost account, and as you can see we've already opened the welcome email, and we'll begin by clicking on the link for the cPanel. We'll log in, and here you can see the GlowHost cPanel control panel. We'll scroll down to the Software Services section and click on the Softaculous icon. And here you can see the Softaculous Applications Installer. We'll go to WordPress and click the Install button. And here you can see the form we'll need to complete in order to install WordPress. We'll begin with the selection of a protocol, and we'll select the www version. The domain name here is correct, so we can leave that as is. In directory, as we would like WordPress to be the content management system for the entire website, we would like to install it in the root. Therefore, we will X out the folder WP, and this will install it in the root directory. Otherwise, WordPress would have been installed in a folder named WP. Database name, the default here is fine. Table prefix, the default here is fine. Site name, we'll give our site a name. Site description, we'll add a description here. Enable multi-site. As we only require one WordPress installation on this site, we're going to leave this box unchecked. Next, we need to enter login credentials. We'll use our first initial and last name. We'll paste a secure password here. Email address. We'll leave the default here, but it should be noted that this email address will not be published on the site. This email address is entered so that WordPress can inform you of updates or when you have comments to moderate, etc. Select language. We'll leave the default here, English. Limit login attempts. This is an excellent plugin I highly recommend as it helps to thwart hackers. So we'll check that box. Next, we'll take a look at the advanced options. Disable update notifications. We're going to leave that unchecked. Auto upgrade, we'll check that off. Auto upgrade WordPress plugins, we'll check that off. Auto upgrade WordPress themes, we'll check that as well. Automated backups, we would like our site to be backed up, and we'll select once a week. Backup rotation, this is the number of backup copies that will remain on the server. 4 should be more than sufficient. The next step is to select a theme for our site, or we can just use the default theme, which we will, as this is just a test site. But feel free to look through these themes, and if you find one you like, you can install it immediately with the WordPress installation, or you can always change the theme later using the WordPress dashboard. This form field provides the opportunity to receive the details of the WordPress installation by email, including the username and the password. As this is just a test site, it's not necessary for our purposes, but I would recommend that you enter your own email address and keep a record of your username and password for the WordPress login. Finally, we can click the Install button. And as you can see, WordPress is installing. The message tells us that the software was installed successfully. Next, we'll go to the administrative URL by clicking on the WP admin link here. We'll log in using the credentials we just created. And here you can see our brand new WordPress dashboard. From this screen, you can control all of the functionality of your WordPress site. To create a new post, simply go to plus, new, post. You can enter a title for your post here, enter your content here, and click the Publish button. But we won't be creating a new post today. We're simply going to take a look at our site by using the Visit Site link at the top of the dashboard. And here you can see that WordPress has been successfully installed. This is the default Hello World post. We can delete that using the dashboard. We can also change our site title and our site tagline using the dashboard, or change the look of the site by changing the theme, also using the dashboard. I'd like to thank you for watching this video and invite you to visit NCM Online for web hosting reviews, coupon codes, and more.